So in this video, I explain why you need to turn off developer option. Now, to turn on developer option, go ahead to about tablet and click 7 times the build number because I'm already the developer. Now I'm gonna search the developer options. Now it's all open. Now go to debugging and set the logger buffer size to 8 M or 16 M. It will show you like 8 or 16. If you want to get more ping or FPS, go if you have like graphics driver preference, just like any app you want to boost it up. Now, now go find system tracing and set your per CPU buffer size to 65 kilobytes. Now enable Wi-Fi verbose logging to increase Wi-Fi like level. Show per SSID and RSII in Wi-Fi picker. Now open Wi-Fi scan throttling improves work and it reduces battery drain and it boosts your network performance. Now open Wi-Fi non-persistent MAC randomization to switch if you like if you off your Wi-Fi and on it again it will like connect it more faster. Now scroll down, set your window transition and animated duration scale to 0.5. This will allows you like to boost it up and quick and force enable for X MSAA in OpenGLES 2.0 apps. This will help your Minecraft experience and disable and open disable HW overlays to always use GPU for screen compositing. Now that's all for the and that's all for the video. I hope your gaming experience will help in this video. Bye.